Hi, my name is Joel Matthew. You are 15 CS177, and today I'm going to explain my sixth experiment from Unix and Linux lab. So the experiment is to actually create user-defined functions and arrays. So the questions I have been given are to create a bank management system and a library management system. So this is a basic syntax of a function. So we have the function name, the list of commands, and inside curly brackets. So for calling that function, invoking the function, we are just going to have the function name. This is an example over here. And then we have arrays. So like this array system is very similar to the one we use for programming. So array name, the index in square brackets, and the value. So this is how you, and for using the accessing the values of the arrays, we use dollar symbol, and in between curly bracket we put the array and the index. And I'll show you the program. So first I'm going to show you for bank management system. So this is my bank management system program. So we have first we set the balance as 0 and we go inside the loop. So we have options of deposit, withdraw, balance, and exit, and you have to enter your choice. Then inside this function we have functions for deposit, withdraw, and balance. So inside withdraw we have to enter the deposit value, and then we are going to add all the deposits inside the balance, and then we show that it has been deposited. So then inside withdraw we have to enter the withdraw values, and then if the withdrawal value is more than the current balance, then we are going to show that the balance is cannot be withdrawn as it exceeds the balance value. And then if not, then the withdrawal amount is deducted from the balance. And then from the using the balance function, we are going to directly display the current balance, and we are going to be accessing each of these calling each of these functions using a switch case according to the character that you have selected. So I'll show you the program. So first we'll try to withdraw something. So you cannot withdraw as of now since your balance is just 0, so you cannot withdraw. So now we'll deposit some money. We'll deposit 100 rupees, and as you can see, it's been deposited successfully. And then we are going to withdraw some money. So we'll withdraw 50 rupees. So the withdrawal is successful since the withdrawal amount was less than the current amount, so we could withdraw it. And now I'll show you the balance. So as you can see, the balance should be 50, so that's correct. And he'll exit the program, and then I'll show you the library management system. So this is a library management system. So this is the start of my library management system. So we have two flags, I and flag, and then we have functions for adding book into the library. So this will take all the details. So I actually is what we use for accessing each of the arrays. So for each of these arrays, like bname, bauthor, bid, and bnum, the index value gives the book and the specific detail inside the array. So here we have for displaying contents of each of the books. Then we have the search book function for searching for a particular book inside the library. Then we have the borrow book. So when we borrow a book, one of the copy is deducted from the current B number value, and if the number of copies is 0, then the book is not available for borrowing, will be displayed. And then inside return, we are going to be we are going to search for the whether the book is was actually borrowed, and then we are going to return the copy. So the copy number value will be incremented, and here we are going to be invoking each of the functions with the help of switch case. So I'll show you the program. So let's add a few books first. So we'll book the book as Unix, author is Joel, ID, and a number of books. So this is the number of available copies which we have to enter. So we'll enter as 10, and then we'll try display the details. So as you can see, all the books over here. So we have only entered one book, so for that we have the details as ID, name, author, and number of copies available. Now we will search for a book, so we'll put that number. So as you can see, the book is found and all the details are shown over here. Now next I'll again search and put a different value. So as you can see, the book is not found. Now next we'll have for borrow. So we'll borrow a book, and once you do that, we'll display it again. So as you can see, the number of copies available has decreased, and next we'll return the book back. Now once we have returned it, the number of copies should be back to normal. So as you can see, the number of copies is back to 10. So this is my program for bank and library management system. Thank you for listening to me.